yeah, puppies mouth on us because they come directly from a litter where they have 24/7 playmates. So they come from where they can play all the time. They kind of sleep, eat, toilet, play. That's all they do. They do nothing else. And then they get taken away from that into a strange environment where the only thing they have interaction with is you. So you then become the playmate. You become the thing to chomp on, and we are brilliant because skin on muscle on bone is like a fat chew toy. God, it's great. And they just like will put their teeth into you and munch on you, and it actually makes them feel better. So the whole reason why they do it is, one, they're trying to play with you. They're trying to instigate some form of play. And for a lot of people, it gives a huge reaction because they either do the whole screaming, pulling their hand thing away and the puppy thinks it's hilarious, or they like growling at them, which is what they want. You know, they then think they're playing again. And sometimes if you get up and ignore them, they're like, oh, that didn't work, I'm gonna have to try harder next time. So they do go through a phase of like bite, bite, bite. It's how they learn about the world. It's like a baby. They put everything in their mouth, toddlers do. Same with the puppy. Everything goes in the mouth, including you. So you have to very much make sure there's always options for them to chew on instead of you. Sometimes a soaked frozen flannel or towel can really help because they can suck on it and mould around their gums. Just removing yourself as soon as any teeth go on you and then giving them something they can chew on instead. And that's not rewarding the behaviour, which a lot of people think. It's actually giving them a better option, which is what you want them to chew on. But they chew to instigate play, and because they're in pain, because their little teeth are coming through, which is really evil. And also they do it when they're overtired or overstimulated, when they're daft, like a toddler who's really tired and is having a temper tantrum. You get that in puppies a lot. So if you over-exercise them or keep them awake too long, you're going to get bitten to death. So you very much then have to say, okay, time to go to bed, and just leave them with a chew, field Kong, something like that, and then let them sleep it out, and then they'll be okay.
So you're essentially using exactly the same behavioural techniques you'd use on a child?
Pretty much, yeah. But puppies don't have an ability to reason like dogs don't. So kids do, and not so much toddlers. They kind of don't, but you can explain to them why you're doing something. A puppy or a dog, you can't. So you have to be very consistent, and you have to associate immediately. As soon as the teeth go on you, you remove yourself, rather than waiting for it to hurt, because they won't understand it's because it hurts. They just think you've walked away.